So it's a M4U Ultima window. Go, back. That's it. Yeah, it's outside stuff now.
How long is it going to take to put it in?
About 20 minutes, half an hour. Not long really, not long really. They're quick, they're easy, they let ample light through. What more can you ask for? They are that straightforward. The instructions are really simple. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. They really are an easy fit. Mainframe's in, flashing kits all around it. Tiles go on top of that. Nice and watertight. Well, we've got all the frame fitted. We've got all the flashing kit around, so it's now ready to put the glass in, seal the unit up. I'll try not to smash it. As soon as it clicks, you know it's done. What you always do. Nice and easy, nice and easy. 20 minutes, done. Nice and straightforward. All we've got to do, put the tiles around the outside, windows all flashed in properly then, ready for the plasterer on the inside to come in, plaster all the reveals in, and window complete. So there's another 2 to put in. This was just the first one, but it was ideal for teaching young John there how to actually fit the windows properly. It is his first one that he's done, and he's picking it up very quickly, so I can't fault it.
So we're here in week 3.
Yep.
That seems to have gone quite quickly. What stage is actually you're at the moment with it?
So the minute where we've got the floor structure all down and in place, we've got all the walls formed, we're 90% insulated. Give it another day or two, all the plasterboards will be on the walls, ready for the plasterers to come in. First of the Dacia windows is in, 2 more to go in later today.
Yeah.
Exterior wise, the dormer's almost tiled, so all around it's coming together quite nicely.
Yeah. And do you think you're still going to be finished for, say, this time next week on your 4-week
Oh yeah,
schedules?
without a doubt, without a doubt. Yeah, I've got no worries with that. 4 weeks is our standard. It's very, very rare we go over that line anyway.
Yeah.
So 4 weeks, done, dusted, off and on to the next one.
Yeah, sounds good to me.